The Allianz Blue Eagle initiative helps you identify and fix some simple home maintenance issues in your house, creating a safer home for you and your family. Today, I'm popping by some Aussie homes to see how they're going. Hey Wip, Scotty here, mate. How are you, pal?
Scotty, what are you doing at my front door?
I'm here to talk about home maintenance, and I want to talk about home safety. Oh, hello, mate. Up there, beautiful. Camera's a good start. I like that. Nice lock on the door. Well done.
Well, okay, come on in.
Oh, hang on. Remember the old saying, never open the door to strangers. I'm joking, mate. Let me in. Securing a home means securing your most loved possessions. You want deadbolts on external-facing doors, window locks on all windows, and tamper-proof door frames. And it's also handy to ask a friend or trusted neighbour to collect your mail and move bins in and out. And if you're headed away, automatic lights can make it look like your home is occupied.
Well, Scotty, I'm thinking you and I, cardboard cutouts, front window.
I think that's a bit much.
No, you're right.
You got keys?
No, I don't. Scotty, do you know a locksmith?
Allianz knows how upsetting and stressful a break-in can be.
Ah, Allianz.